If you are thinking about possibly being on the water over the course of the weekend, bear in mind, water temperatures are still dangerously cold. I cannot say that enough, so I'll keep saying it. Afternoon highs will still be pretty warm, though, in the mid-90s. Take a look out toward the Gilmore backyard. Today was a nice day. So Friday, we're moving into the end of the week. And you start talking about the weekend. And do you like kayaking? I do. And then you have some people in the background here that are actually paddle boarding. I have not worked up the nerve to do that yet. If you're thinking about getting out and about over the course of the weekend, you know what, go for it. The weather's going to be amazing. Bill Stahl took that photo for us. If you happen to be out and you got the opportunity to take some photos, you can always share them with us. It is super easy to download those photos to the ABC 10 app, and then I can share them with everyone else, and then we can talk about what you're doing over the weekend. Here's a look at your temperature trend. Average daytime high this time of the year in the mid-80s. Well above average Tuesday with 95 degrees. Wednesday essentially in the same ballpark with 93. Thursday we came in at 95, and today we came in at 92. So you're thinking, what's happening for the weekend? And let's talk about next week. Well, let's talk about it. Weather headlines. A quiet weather pattern is moving in. And when I say quiet, I mean we're really going to start to kind of cool things down a bit with near seasonal highs expected. Cooling trend comes in as well. That's also for next week as the Delta breeze is going to kick on. We're looking for the opportunity for some much cooler weather Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. Take a look. Here's a look at your high temperatures. So Saturday and Sunday, essentially carbon copy days. Temperatures in the lower to mid 90s. As we get to Monday, look at that huge drop. Boom. 83 for an afternoon high. That's what I like. I'm like the 80s. 79 for Tuesday. Coming in for Wednesday, 80 degrees. That is all because of the Delta breeze. So it's going to definitely feel more comfortable as we move into next week. In the meantime, outside right now, pretty comfortable. 63 in Sacramento, 58 in Fairfield, 73 in Marysville, 81 degrees up in Oroville, where they had a triple-digit high today. Lower to mid-70s coming in for the foothills and 55 degrees in South Lake Tahoe. Tonight, overnight tonight, not expecting anything memorable. Things will be rather seasonal for this time of the year, but still coming in just a little bit cooler versus the same time yesterday. What gives? All about the wind, right? Take a look at this. Still looking at decent breezes coming in through Fairfield around 32 miles per hour. 14-mile-per-hour winds coming in through Stockton, and that maritime influence does drive down temperatures, and it really saves us when you start talking about those very hot summer days. The Delta breeze kicks on, and we are rewarded tremendously. Okay, let's talk about tomorrow. Here we go in the foothills, 87 in Placerville, 95 in Ione, 90 in Auburn, 87 in Nevada City. If you're heading to Tahoe, I'm jealous. It's going to be nice. 80 for Saturday, 70 coming in for Monday, the lower 60s for afternoon highs Tuesday and Wednesday. We hit the Bay Area with 63 in San Francisco, 69 in the East Bay and Oakland, and then you hit the valley floor with the lower to the mid-90s through Lodi, all the way down to Turlock and to Patterson, and 94 for Sacramento tomorrow, 93 in Elk Grove, 95 in Roseville, and 96 in Oroville. 10-day forecast. I mentioned a cool down. Where is it? Let's get to it. Monday, lower 80s again. Wednesday, 80 degrees. Those temperatures are definitely below average. That's 79 and 80. That's below average for this time of the year.
One of the few times it's good to be below average.
Just one of the few.
Tracy, thank you.